Yeah, that's the new dynamic vape sling from Petzl. Only the big rock climber guys have it.
This one, what they look like. All right, we are back at this 230-foot pit. We got Seth going down the hole first. There's
GPS
Joey.
34.0.
Ask ChatGPT how to cave.
Right. Bye-bye.
Hi, buddy. Let me turn this stupid camera on.
Leave it intentional? Yeah, I think it's pull the rope up.
Hold on, my shit's all wrapped up. Okay.
How's that battery pack on?
Hey, buddy. Woo-wee. Whee! YouTube cavers! Was it all tangled on that ledge?
It was tangled everywhere.
Whee! Way less scary.
So small, isn't it?
Yeah. Off-road!
On rope! Woo! Hello. Huh? Yeah. This is a good hole. Boink. I don't want to be bounced. Man.
You out there, 2 bars. Now, yeah, change over 2 bars.
No. I'm gonna drop kick you.
Hey, buddy.
Hello.
Yeah, Tristan didn't take that long. We were just trying to take pictures before,
I gotcha.
before the rope was moving again.
Meep. Off rope!
Good boy. Good boy. He's such a good boy. Where are you going? Good to get on sweat. Give him a little bit more. A little bit more? Yeah. Sweat, you're coming back down. I just deleted the last 10 foot there. Yeah, go touch his butt. Yeah. Yeah. Last time Sweat top tandemed, he had a very bad time.
What?
I said last time you top tandemed, you had a very bad time.
Yeah. Rope's not digging into my ball sack right now, so there's that.
Go on now, get.
Here. Don't look up, Tristan. Don't look up. All right, you go. Whoa. You all right? Yeah. Go ahead and get over the ledge. All right. My weight was trying to pull you through that crack, wasn't it?
Yeah. I had to top tandem with that.
Faster, faster, faster.
Are you ready for me?
Yeah.
Okay. I am currently holding two very expensive flash bulbs, trying to take pictures on this big rappel. Oh, this big rope.
We're just having a good time.
Yeah, just don't hit me with the camera. Ow.
Whoa.
That hurt.
Sorry, I should have gave you a warning.
You're good.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Joe, these are the best pictures I've ever taken.
Fuck yeah.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll call it done there. I will say, they look a lot better than the last time I photographed it here.
Sweet.
Alright, I'll let you know when to start climbing. I gotta pack all my stuff back up here.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta get all this back on my back.
When you see the pictures, you're gonna freak out.
I'm excited. I'm gonna hand you this bag so I can try to crawl out.
Yeah.
Get in there, bitch. Get in there, you little bitch. Okay.
It's not shut yet, Joey.
Off rope!
Alright, Joey, you ready? Are you ready, buddy? Yeah. This is it.
Holy fuck. That's me?
That's you.
New profile picture.
That's fucking sick. I like that.
You can read on your helmet.
Yeah.
You can't get that with an iPhone.
That's insane.
Did you have fun?
I did. And the crazy thing is, I didn't have any lights on. That was just your flashes. And somehow it lights up everything. Like you can see everything,
Yeah.
even above you, perfectly clear.
Good job, buddy.
That was all you. I just helped.
What's up, that one name?
Okay. Everybody made it out. There's Sweat, our fearless leader,
Not
Seth.
everybody made it out alive.
Yeah, we left some people
That
down
frog's
there.
still down there.
Tristan, Alex, Steven, and Thomas is doing something to our rope. I'm not sure what it is. But everybody made it out. We'll see y'all next time.